Hello guys, yes, before we proceed into importing our B wallet, okay, I want to first of all tell my able community, my billionaires community, that yes, the channel name has been changed from Crypto Authority TV to Crypto Mom. The reason is this: the rest of my social media handles are bearing Crypto Mom for the past 3 years now. My Twitter, my Telegram, my WhatsApp, my TikTok, and the rest of them are bearing Crypto Mom. I want to build a brand. That's the reason I've decided to update my channel name from Crypto Authority to Crypto Mom. In case you come across this video, don't think the channel has been hacked. No, nobody hacked it. I personally changed the name to Crypto Mom. So from today, as you can see from the channel, it's already bearing Crypto Mom. Okay, so thank you guys for your understanding. Let's proceed. Let me show you how you can import B network, okay, and inside the B app here, and how you can equally import it in your Trust wallet. Okay, now let's dive. You come to where you have the wallet. See it down. Look down, you will see your wallet. Okay, over here you see wallet. Click on that wallet. Click on that wallet. Once you open this way, okay, you click on this three dot line on your right hand side. Click on it. Click on that dot. Allow it to open. Tap on it again. Okay, it has opened. You click on this dot. This, you see import wallet. Can you see it? Click on it. I click on it now. You see where we have Ethereum. You click on it to choose Polygon. B network is on Polygon blockchain. Are you getting it? Good and fine. I click on this drop down arrow. Can you see different blockchain? Can you see different blockchain here? Arbitrum, BNB blockchain, Ethereum, Polygon, Solana, and the rest of it. So the one we are going for is on Polygon. Polygon blockchain. Okay, and I tap on the Polygon. The contract address that is in the description of this video, copy it and come over to this place. Look at, it's on Polygon blockchain. Don't make mistake about it. Then you now paste that big contract address you copy from the description of this video. Okay, let me paste mine. Can you see? Allow it to load. It's loading. Can you see? Yes, it's correct. It has already ticked good here to show you that the contract address is correct. See, the symbol is B, the token decimal, okay, it's 18. Are you getting it? There you click on confirm. Look down, you see confirm. Click on confirm here. Click on confirm. Allow it to, yes, added. Can you see it? Yes, the contract address has been added. Can you see the B on Polygon blockchain? Good and fine. Good and fine. That is how to add it. If you click on it, if you have been verified, like myself, I passed my KYC. If I passed your KYC, I still have intention of buying more B. You come over to this place, copy the receive address. Okay, click on that receive. Click on it. Okay, you copy it here. Send to the person that want to send you B. Are you getting it? Good and fine. And the B, your B will drop here. Okay, don't be deceived. I'm seeing a lot of scam, fake B out there, and people are busy buying it, buying fake B. Don't be carried away. This is the original B we have. Any B outside this very one on this app is counterfeit. Are you hearing me? Good and fine. Let me show you how to add this same contract address in case you don't want to use the B app to import your wallet. You can still use your Trust wallet. So let me show you how to import it using your Trust wallet. Are you getting it? Thank you so much. Let's move to Trust wallet now. Why trying to import your B to your Trust wallet? Please make sure it's your airdrop wallet on Trust wallet. Don't use the same wallet you use in buying your tokens, your meme coins then, to import this B. Create a special airdrop wallet. That is what I did. In case anything happens, you know that your tokens are saved in the wallet they are. So if you mix everything together, anything that happens, it will affect your hard-earned money. Are you getting it? Create a separate wallet for airdrop. All right, let's proceed to Trust wallet now. This wallet on Trust wallet is mine. Check out the name here. Look up. Look up. This thing brush is not showing. You can see airdrop wallet up. So you come to where you have manage crypto. You click on manage crypto. Okay. You that big contract address you copy. You come and paste it here. Where you have search. Look up. You see it. Can you see B a B on Polygon blockchain. You enable it. I've enabled it. Then check out now. Can you see? You see B here. You see B. Okay. B does not, it has not showing reading yet because it has not been listed. So those fake B you are seeing out there, those scam B you have seen, I'd stop buying if you know you have been buying it. Okay, once you pass your KYC, you can buy for your fellow vendor that has equally passed his or KYC. Are you hearing me? So thank you so much, guys. This is how to add your B, how to import your B wallet address to your B app, and in contract, I mean in your Trust wallet also. So thank you guys. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Bye.